Next we're going to install in the wheel in. As you can see the wheel, there's actually 2 pins, 1 pin there, and also 1 pin on the other side there. It's very important. As you can see there, there's actually 3 holes in the middle. As you can see, 2, 1 there, and also 1 there is for catching in the pin, and the middle one is for putting the screw in. Now make sure you actually put in the pin into the hole in order to make sure the wheel is not rotating. Now we're putting also the screw in from the outside of the other side there to tighten it in. As you see, once it's finished tying up like that by using a 35mm screw to tighten it in, and we do the same as for the other side as well, like so. As you can see here, as for the headlight, right close there is the point where you put the adapter in, like so, like that, and the string and the cable of this one here will be connected to the power point, like that. By now the top piece should look like this, and next we're gonna put the slide in like so, as you can see, and we put it in position and we unfold it out like that. And as you can see that the top bed should look by now complete like so. Next we're going to do the trundle. Next we're going to build the trundle, which is go under the bed. Now this is a part where we put in the trundle piece, which is a piece that you're going to pull in and out beneath the car bed. Now for this piece here, it consists 2 short pieces there, 1 long piece and 1 blue piece. Now with a short piece there, we first put in the locking device. Remember, put the arrow facing outward like so, and same as that one there, and over there as well. Now next we put also 2 wooden dowels on each end, 2 there, 2 on that side, 2 on this piece, and also 2 on that piece. Now as for the long one, we put in 2 screws, 1 there and 1 there, and same as the other side, I put on 1 there and 1 there. As for the long piece or the outside panel of the trundle, this time we're using the inner hole by putting 2 screws in, 1 there and 1 there. Notice the position, make sure you put in the right hole, and then on this end here, the flat end there, you also put the second row of the ring there, and put 1 screw there, also another screw there. Now bear in mind, remember the golden rules, do not over tighten it, just enough to touch the plastic ring with the screw. We put the short piece on top of the long piece like so. Now line it up and tap it in, and by using a flat screwdriver, we turn it in the clockwise position to lock it in like so. There. And now we do the same thing also for the other side of the trundle. Put it in and lock it in as well, like so. Next we put the blue panel on top of that, and we lock it in position by turning the locking device there in a clockwise position as well. Next you put the piece down like so, upside down, and then we put in also the rail in. Now for each wheel there, we're using this small screw in to tighten it in. For each wheel we tighten in 4 screws, and we have to do 3 of the photo stick. It's got a hole like that. And then next we alternatively put in the first row we go with wheel, second one without the wheel, and the third one we put with wheel once more time, fourth one no wheel, and the fifth one with the wheel. Now we put in position. Again, we're using a 50 mil long screw to tie it in like so, and we tied it up for the rest of the 5 of the slate in like that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're doing 3 of the screw need to have plastic washer in. We put the second one, the third one, and the fourth one in the screw with the washer like so, the plastic washer. Okay, now when you finish, you start tying it up, and we put in the silver cap in for the second one, third one, and the fourth one. So in other words, only the 3 in the middle of the slate only. And then we also tied up the last one like so. So by now your bottom slate should look like so. Next we're putting the wheel in. Now with this one here, as you can see, there's actually 2 25 mil screw there need to be put in. Now the 2 screw we need to put it in is actually in this position where you see the plastic ring there, one there, and also one there. Now before we put that, we put in like so, and also one there. Now we tighten it up and position. Make sure it's actually in the hole. Now you tie it up in like that, and tie it up with the Allen key. Once in position, we also do the same thing on the other side as well, other wheel. And by now it looks like so. Next, we put in the wheel in on top of it. Now with the wheel here, the way we do this, notice there's actually a hook on the side of the wheel there, one there and one at the bottom. Now we position the hole, actually go in. Notice when you put the plate there, make sure the plate is actually the right place, right side. The right side is the one, it's got like a sinking hole like this. When you got the plate on the right side, you can notice actually a hole should be sinking like that. Next, you're going to put in the wheel in. Now make sure you actually align the pin in there to the hole in there. So, and then next you're using the screw to tighten it up with an Allen key. And next we slide in the slate under the bed, and now the bed is complete. Now the only thing you need to do is, now is the slate, one for the top bed and one for the trundle underneath, and then the bed is now complete.